Okay, I would not say Asthaya Kanha was close to nature. It was in jungle.
It was in jungle.
So it was in nature. So
And
it was
the
not close.
service
It was
very good
yeah.
over
The people out were there were
But not
fantastic.
Okay, even Infinity Resorts, Bandhavgarh, it is also close to nature, which I loved. It is near the jungle.
See, if I talk about guide, I think our best guide, our greatest guide was Shashank. And the jungle guides and the chauffeurs he has selected are the best that I have ever known.
Jungle is not about tiger. Definitely not about. You need to be there to understand what jungle is. But you need to experience jungle. There are so much beautiful things in jungle. The vegetation, the landscape, other wildlife, the other animals, the bird species especially. And above all, yes, the tiger.
Incredibly, right on our very first safari in Kanha, we have got our first tiger sighting. Look at these faces! Amazing sighting of a tigress crossing, and she actually waited, stopped, looked at us, posed for us. Amazing.
It was for the first time that I have seen a wild cat in wilderness. I don't know how to express my feeling. I have no words to express my feeling. It was something out of the world experience.
And again, this is jungle. The dynamics changes every moment. Your jeep passes and you feel that there is nothing happening in the jungle, and right behind you there is a tiger moving. So you really do not know what's happening, So this is one place which keeps on changing every second.